Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use ClickUp for project management in 2025. Now with simple steps, you will be able to create the projects over here, add the tasks and track your progress using the views and automation. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for clickup.com. When you are on clickup.com, you need to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now you are going to see this type of workspace in front of you. Over here in the left hand section, you are going to see a bunch of different options like the spaces that you have created. You are going to find it over here. So in order to create a new space, simply click on the option of create space. After that, you need to give your space a name. You can add a description if you want. You can make changes into the default permissions. Then you can select whether you want to make it private or public. Afterwards, click on the option of continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can define your workflow like starter, marketing teams, project management, or product engineering. So since you want to use it for project management, you can select this option. Then it is going to customize it, the default options basically based on the things that you have selected here. So since we have selected project management, it made changes into it and added task status in it. Now click on the option of create space here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now wait for some time until it shows you this type of section. This is basically the section where you can manage your product. Over here, you can add your tasks by clicking on the add task option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can add any of the tasks of your choice. Then you can add the description. AI can also help you in writing the description. After that, you can add the due date, assignees, priority of this particular task. You can add any labels if you want. Inside one particular task, you can create fields. So you can click on the option of create field and you can add these fields over here. Once you are done with it, simply click on the option of create task in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So your task will be created and it is going to look something like this. Now this is the list view of the task that you are seeing. You can click on the option of board and you can take a look at this type of board view in front of you. So when the task is basically completed, when it is in the, let's say, planning stage, you can just simply drag it from here and drop it here. When it is in progress, you can drop it here. When it is completed, you can drop it here. This way you can just simply get the best out of this particular view. Now if you want to take a look at the section of the task, you can simply click on the task and you can take a look at a bunch of different fields over here. In the right hand section, you can add any comment that you have relating to the task. You can also mention your team member by using the @ option over here. So this way you will be able to use ClickUp for project management in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.